Hello kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kids Learning. Kids, in today's video, we are going to learn a phonics sound of guess. Yes, we are going to learn a phonics sound of letter B. 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 Ball. B. 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 Bell. B. B. Bus. Bus. B is for ball. B is for bell. B is for bus. B is for bee.
To watch more like this video, like, share, subscribe to my channel.